Welcome back, guys. This is our 2-year update of our subscriber requested trim coatings and restorers test. Now remember, I've had everything kind of on pause for a while, so about the last year and a half or so, this has not been washed monthly. And so just kind of a quick view before I wash everything. Everything's been outside 24/7, exposed through all the elements, the rain, the snow, the ice we've had, everything. Kiwi shoe dye, still kicking. That's the old detailer's trick from the 80s and 90s. Griot's, Cerakote, and Rust-Oleum Wipe New, all very similar products. All store-bought products, not professional by any means, doing very well. Soft 99 tire wax, that's the Japan tire coating that you guys had requested. So now without further ado, let's go ahead and wash everything using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. Rinse it, foam it down again, wash it, and of course rinse and dry very well before we look everything over. All right, top row. Let's see how we're doing here. So the control, I'm glad it's controlling. Vonix V plastic, that's a ceramic. Black D trim, black D3 trim, looking pretty good compared to the others. Geon, that was a pretty highly requested one in both instances for the Q2 trim, Q2 can coat. Koshimi plastic hair from Germany. Still there. Malco Epic Revive New, that's what we were using in our shop. Lithium trim cubes, also not doing too bad. New Finish Trim Doctor, and the Sharpie's doing all right. On to the second row, Kiwi shoe dye. That's, as you heard me say, the detailer's trick from the 80s and 90s, and it's uniform because it works. Black Magic Factory Black, not quite as good as some of the others. Griot's trim, that failed at the month mark. And then these three here, Griot ceramic trim wipes, Cerakote wipes, and Rust-Oleum Wipe New. All three of those doing very well. I know you can buy Cerakote and Rust-Oleum at Walmart, of all places, but very inexpensive as well. Soft 99 tire wax, doing great too. So what do you think? 2 years in, we still got quite a few, even though it hasn't had monthly washes. You know, this would be the equivalent of like a neglected car that sits outside that hasn't washed, or you do wash it and it just gets rained on and air dried and things like that. See, the Griots and the Rust-Oleum Wipe New and even the Kiwi shoe dye, some great options that we've got so far. So I think I'll probably keep this going. I'll update it maybe quarterly from this point forward. But if you guys have any other products you want to see tested in the future, of course, let me know in the comments. I always like to read your comments and consider anything we can do in the future. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.